Hello everyone, this is at EPHS, Every Problem has Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you an alternative way in which you can type documents in case you don't have the MS Word or any other software on your laptop or PC that you can use to type documents. I can assure you that regardless of what document you might want to type, this what I'm about to show you is capable of doing it. So the first thing you might want to do is that you want to head right onto your browser. By the way, what I'm about to show you is a website that you can make use of without paying a dime. It is completely free and you can't believe the features it possesses. Let's begin. Tapping on your browser, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge in this video. So head right onto the sidebar and type in docs. Let's have it load up properly. Having it load up properly, you want to select the first option right here, which says Google Docs. Tapping on that, you'll be directed to the home page of the Docs website. Now, one of the good features that I like about this website is that they can always help you to customize your resume, as they have several forms of templates that involve the resume template. So you can select any of them you find that can work best for you and edit them, delete the information, and insert your own personal information and make use of it to apply for whatever job you might want to apply for. That's a good feature. But in this video, we want to learn how to make use of it to type. So having it loaded up properly, you want to select the blank document option. Selecting that, you'll be directed to the page to type your documents. So let's hold on for it to load up. Having it loaded properly, you can begin to see the options. This is for the font. You have as much as possible different font options that you can select. The Times New Roman, which is the most commonly used, the Arial, and so on. You can select whichever will work best for you. If you want to increase the font size, you have as much as possible all the way to 96. It means your font can be as big as possible. You can make your font bold, you can make them italic, you can underline them while typing. In fact, you can change the color of your text. You can highlight a spot if you want to do that. You can insert a link. If you want to insert an image, that is the option. You want to space paragraph or align, here are the options. You want to number your document, here are the options. So you can see that these is very similar in terms of features to MS Word. That's not the end. Let's move on. If you go to the file, you have the option to make a copy, to download your file after you have typed it. You have several forms of options which can have your file to be in hard copy or to be in soft copy, which can later turn to hard copy. You can have it in PDF, you can have it in Microsoft Word, you can have it in OpenDoc format, and so on. This is the page setup. You can set up your page. You want it to be much more larger. You want it to be in portrait form, or you want it to be in the other way around. Just click on that and play around with that. If you want to edit, you can undo, you can redo, you can paste whatever you have to be copied already. You can insert right here, image, table, drawings, charts, horizontal lines, emojis, smart chips, drop down, and so on. In fact, you have special characters and equations, which implies that mathematics teachers or whoever want to type an equations doesn't have problem while using this software, like while using this website. In fact, I make use of it to type my mathematics questions. So there's a way in which you can have your views. Clicking on views, you can add the equation toolbar that shows up, such that if you want to type an equation, it's easy for you to just type new equations. You have the symbols, alpha, beta, gamma. You have this other symbol, the equation symbols, plus or minus. You have the inequality symbol, less than, equal to, blah, blah, blah. You have the different forms in which you can have your expressions, either in ratio, in radical, in bars, subscript or superscript. And you have some other special symbol. You have the implication symbol and the if and only if symbol, and so on. So you can see how interesting this website is. And the first thing I would like to share with you is that before you start typing, always try to change the name of your document. Put the name you want it to be saved. It's actually in untitled document right now. You can put it probably math questions. You understand? And type in enter. So it has been corrected. So it means after saving it, it should be saved as math questions. Now, one important and which is one of the best things I love most about this is that it saved your document automatically. You don't need to save it before it saved it automatically. Because if you are making use of it online and not offline, though you can have access to some of its features offline, but it's best to make use of it online. And I don't think that's a problem. So you should be able to afford a little to get your data or your subscription to make use of it online because it doesn't consume data at all. So you should have no problem with that. So I think that's just the bad side of it. You can't make use of it offline, but it saves your information automatically and it should be saved to whatever Gmail account you use to log in to the website. If you want me to review more on this platform, you can let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully you find it helpful. When you try it out, let me know your feedback and your experience with it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.